Hello to all our friends. Welcome to our Turkish Cuisine YouTube channel. Today, I will give you the recipe for the indispensable lentil soup of Turkish cuisine. We put 1 tablespoon of butter in a pot, and when the butter starts to melt, we add 1 tablespoon of flour. We fry until the flour turns pink. We add 1 roughly chopped onion and then 1 roughly chopped potato. After stirring and frying the ingredients for about 1 minute, we add 1 clove of garlic. After stirring for about 1.5 minutes, we add 1 cup of washed lentils and stir for another half minute. We add salt and spices as desired, then pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. We cover the pot and cook over high heat for 30 minutes. Be sure to check that the ingredients in the pot have melted. Now, we blend the ingredients in our soup. After blending the ingredients, we cook our soup over low heat for about 10 more minutes. As you can see, our lentil soup, which is highly nutritious, is ready to be served. We wish everyone bon appetit in advance. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.